Good morning, it's Dave at All Things Important Reviews. Please smash that like button, please smash that subscribe button for more awesome watch content. I've got with me another unboxing. I just had to pick it up because I got it in an amazing deal. It is a Casio Gshock, and it is a watch that I actually already have. Well, I already had, but without the rubber band. This one has the bracelet, which is what I've wanted, because I don't actually like it too great on the really tough rubber band that it comes with. Well, it's not even rubber, it's like a resin plastic. Now this is, let's see what, does it tell you on there? Nope. Right, this is the GST-B300SD-1AER. I wanted another watch for my daily driver, and I love the look of this watch. Wow, beautiful. I do love the look of it, more so than the B100 and more so than the B200. The B400 that I've bought, that you've already seen the review of, I can't get used to the fact that it's just completely stealthy. I need to see some markings on the dial, which are unfortunately not present. Let me just get this sticker in off then quick. I think that looks pretty macho and pretty beastly. I love these watches. I love the G-Steel range. They are my favourite Casio G-Shock range by a mile. They're robust. They look great. They're waterproof to 200 meters. They have ani-digital functions. They have world time. They have tough solar, which obviously means that it charges off the sun or fluorescent light, or non-fluorescent light even. I just love them. I love the look of them. They're my favourite everyday watch. The only criticism I have of these watches are they are too thick. That is true, they are too thick. The latest one, the B400 range, is the best fitting. This is the B300 range, which is a 2020 model. The B range, or the B100, 200, 300, 400, they don't have multi-band, as I've mentioned already in a different video, but they have Bluetooth functionality where you can connect them up to Bluetooth to get synchronized timekeeping. You know, is that the light? Yeah, it is the light. Yeah, so the light also lights up the display, the LED display. I like this model as well because it's got the 12 o'clock marker, which makes it even easier to tell the time. If you wanted to, on these ani-digitals, I'll just tell you, you could, if you wanted, you could make the, let me just wipe the screen a bit, it's got a bit of condensation now. Yeah, if you wanted to, you could make the LED display. You could make that display the digital time all the time. So if you wanted to, you never, on these ani-digitals, you never have to use the analog mode if you don't want to. You can just look at the time on the display. Now, on this model, they've put a positive display, digital display at the back. It's positive. However, they do a model, it's the same model essentially, but it has a negative display, which makes the hands easier to read, the analog, but obviously the digital display is more difficult to read. And they also, with that model, it comes with a fabric strap and a resin strap and the bracelet. So it comes with all three, but it's more expensive and it's more harder to get. So that's why I've bought this one, which is fine. Do a quick wrist shot if I can. That feels really good. Now, in terms of weight of these watches, they're going to be around 185 or 180 grams. With the links taken out, they might be a bit less than that. Another thing that I love about this watch, about these Casio watches now on the B range, is that the pins on the bracelet links are really easy to take out. Basically, they've got like a spring bar in there. So what you do is you don't bang it down. All you do, as I showed you in my previous video, you just put your tool in there. You just press it, press the spring bar. That will then release it, and then gently move it, and it releases off that, and then do it off the other side. So they're very easy to unlink, if you will. It's not like, you know, my girlfriend's been cooking, so there is a lot of condensation in this room, unfortunately. That's why they're getting, because it's very cold, this watch. Yep, so that's an unboxing. I'll get a full review on the channel for you. The resin version, the resin band is really tough, and it's not for me personally. I prefer the bracelet, so I'm going to keep this one. So yeah, so I'll put a link down below if you want to pick it up. It won't actually be an affiliate link. Or it may be if you use eBay, maybe that is an affiliate link. But the Amazon one won't be, because I don't think it's available on Amazon at the minute. Yep, so it's been Dave. I'll get the review for you on the bracelet, because obviously it does add weight to the channel, to the watch. 180 gram watch, it's not ideal as a daily driver in terms of the weight. Ideally, you'd be better at 160, 150 and below. But I can put up with it, and secondly, because they're so durable and rugged, and because they look great, I'm going to keep it. Okay, so thanks a lot. Please smash the like button and subscribe. There's more awesome watch content coming. Cheers, it's Dave.